Hey there, welcome to Umbraco Learning Base. My name is Isha, and in this video, I'll show you how to install Umbraco using NuGet and Visual Studio. Before installing Umbraco, you need to make sure your system meets certain requirements. Umbraco mostly works on all modern browsers, such as the latest versions of Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. For local development, you can use any operating system such as Microsoft Windows 7 and above, Mac OS, or Linux. You also need .NET Core 6 and an SQL connection string if you wish to use your own database. You can use any of the .NET tools or editors such as Visual Studio Code with IS Express extension, Microsoft Visual Studio, JetBrains Writer, or .NET Core CLI. Cool. Now that we've taken a look at the minimum system requirements, let's get started with installing Umbraco. This is the folder where I want to install Umbraco. The first step is to install the latest .NET SDK if you haven't done that yet. I've already installed the latest version. If you wish to check the .NET SDK version you're using, run the .NET-info command in the terminal. This command displays the .NET SDK version installed on your system. The next step is to install Umbraco's project templates. To do so, we'll type .NET new-i umbraco.templates command. Since the solution is packaged in the NuGet package, Umbraco.templates can be installed via the command line. Once the templates are installed, you can see that the Umbraco package and Umbraco project are installed as part of the Umbraco templates. Moving on, let's open Visual Studio. We'll start by creating a new Umbraco project. So, we'll click on Create a New Project. Here, we can see the recent project templates that we've been using, as well as we can search for a specific template. In the search bar, we'll type Umbraco, and it provides us with three options. In our case, we just want to create a simple Umbraco project, so we'll select Umbraco project. On this screen, we can configure a new project. We can give it a name and select where we want to save our project as well. If you want to change the location, click on the Browse option here. You can also select whether you want the solution and project file in the same project folder. Once you've added the information, click Next. Here, we can see which version of .NET we are using. In our case, we are using .NET 6. The Umbraco version is the latest as per the templates we installed earlier. We also have a few other optional fields that we can enter for the project. In this case, we are not going to add anything additional. So let's continue by clicking Create. The project is now being created. It will take some time to create the project. Once the project is created, we can see the project files in the Solution Explorer. The next step is to build and run the project. To do so, we'll click on IS Express. You can see that the project is first being built, and once it's done, it will open a browser window where we can finish up the installation of our project. Cool. We are almost at the final step of our installation. Here, we need to add our name, email, and password that we'll use for logging into the back office of Umbraco. So, I'll add my details. And now, I can either install the project with the default database or customize the database. To use your preferred database, click Change Database. Here, you can select the database type from the drop-down and provide the database name. For this video, I'll use the default database. The final thing on the screen is the consent for telemetry data. Here, you can see what type of data is being collected and adjust the level of reporting. Currently, we have 3 levels, that is minimal, basic, and detailed. By default, basic is selected. If you wish to change the setting later or want to see the specific data being sent on each of the levels, you can do so in the telemetry data dashboard in the settings section of the Umbraco backoffice. For this video, I'll leave it at the basic level and click install to complete the installation. Once the installation is completed, we are redirected to the backoffice of our Umbraco project. Cool. And now we can use this project to create some amazing websites. I hope this video helps you to start or continue with your Umbraco journey. If you wish to learn the best practices and take advantage of the latest Umbraco features, you can sign up for the Umbraco Fundamentals training course. I'll leave the link in the description box below. And that's it for this video. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos. Stay tuned for more videos. Until then, take care and stay safe.